After 5 months of rigorous lockdown, Tamil Nadu has now finally opened up. The operation of buses resumed across Tamil Nadu to a lukewarm response from passengers. Places of worship, parks, shopping malls, hotels and clubs too have reopened on Tuesday. Though the government had allowed the opening of small-sized places of worship since July, larger religious places including the Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple opened up today. The famous Ramarathara Swami temple in Rameswaram also opened up today. Meanwhile, malls opened in Chennai with a lot of restrictions in place. Wearing of mask, maintaining at least 6 feet of physical distance and being asymptomatic are some of the musts while visiting these malls. Meanwhile, malls and hotels in containment zones shall remain closed.
When you enter, there's also a disinfection board for your footwear. So you come in there, you stand on that mat, that's a disinfection board, and then you move past, of course, the Arogya Setu verification that's happening. And what the app does, Nance by Phoenix, it gives you a footfall of the map. So if this shows 13,000 people, then you will not be allowed to enter the mall. Food court footfall, then again, is 50% of what it actually is. It shows all this, the mall density, the food court density, all this displayed here on the board. Now coming on to the baggage sanitization. How are they doing it? They have a UV sanitization system where you come in, you put in your bag, it goes through this. This is connected with the baggage scanner. So after it is sanitized, it goes into the baggage scanner as well. Over here, you have the thermal scanning protocol. So you enter, you're scanned, and you exit. Now, as you enter, as you exit, there's a sanitization pedal where you can stand, use your sanitizer, you collect your baggage, and of course, there's something to record your temperature here. So your body temperature is recorded here as well. And well, of course, post that, you enter the mall and you go about for your shopping. With video journalist Divin Rajkumar, this is Charlie Lobo in Chennai for India Today.
As far as trying on clothes is concerned, a lot of these stores are not doing trial rooms opening up in the beginning. Some of them who are opening the trial rooms, they already have measures in place where they will disinfect the clothes after trying and then put it back on the rack. The food court seating capacity has been cut to 50% to maintain social distancing. All food court tables and chairs will be desanitized, after every customer sits in.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.